will start our new topic, a new chapter, understanding elementary shapes. To understand about the elementary shape, we should know about all the fundamental geometrical structure that we have discussed in our previous chapter, that is the basic concept of geometry. Without the basic concept of geometry, we cannot understand about this chapter. So we should know about the basic concept of geometry, because here when we discuss about length of line segment, then first we should know about the line segment. Without information about the line segment, how it can be possible to know about the length of the line segment? So we should know about the concept of the line segment. That means to understand complete this chapter, we should know complete basic concept of geometry. So today we shall start our chapter number 5, that is the understanding elementary shape. For this, let us revise some fundamental topic from basic concept of geometry, which will be useful to understand about this topic. So the first was, in the basic concept of geometry, the first topic was line segment. Line segment. What is the line segment? We say that to the shortest distance between the 2 points. The shortest distance between 2 points is known as line segment. As we know that if 2 points are given, then it can be joined in any method. It can also be joined like that, or you can also join this by this side, or you can also join this like that. But here we cannot find the shortest distance between them. So what will be the shortest distance? If we join this point through a straight path, then the distance between them will smallest. So we say that the smallest distance between the 2 points is known as a line segment. Now here we will discuss about the length of the line segment. When we say that line segment is how much lengthy, or what is the length of the line segment, means what is the measure of the line segment. For this, let us start to know about the line segment. I hope the definition of line segment is revised to you. So let's see the length of the line segment. Okay, so let us start. Length of line segment. The length of line segment. So the length of line segment. For this, if we have any line segment, suppose that this is the line segment A, then we have to find out how much it lengthy. That means we have to find out the distance between the 2 points. Here, in order to find out the length of this line segment, we have to find out the distance between the 2 points. We have to find the distance between these 2 points, that is the distance between the point AB. So we say that the distance between the end points of our line segment of the line segment. Okay, this is the definition of the length of the line segment. The distance between the end point of the line segment, is known as the length of the line segment. Okay, so I hope the definition of the length of line segment is clear. And we just suppose that The distance between the 2 points is 5.4 centimeters. The distance between the 2 points A and B is 5.4 meters. Then we say that the length of the line segment AB is 5.4 meters, and we have the length of the line segment AB is equal to 5.4 centimeters. And here we also represent like this 5.4 centimeters. This way, this represents that the length of the line segment. Now let us see how we decide or how we justify two lines are said to be congruent. Here, the one most important thing in the length of line segment is that when two lines are said to be congruent. What is the meaning of the congruent? So first of all, let us understand the meaning of the congruent. Just suppose that this is your right palm, and if we place our left palm in front of this, then our left hand or left palm completely occupy the palm of the right hand. That means left hand is the congruent to the right hand side, because the right hand is completely occupied with the left hand. That is why they are known as the congruent. In the sense of line segment, we say that two lines are said to be congruent if they have the same length. They have the same length means their length are equal or they are of equal length. Then such type of two lines are known as the congruent line. Just suppose that a line segment AB is here. This is the line segment AB, and suppose that the length of the line segment AB is 5 cm, and there is also another line, that is the CD. There is also another line segment CD which have also the length is 5 cm. Then if we place the line segment CD to the line segment AB, then the line segment CD completely cover or completely occupy the line segment AB. Then we say that the line segment CD is congruent to the line segment of AB, and it is written as the line segment AB is congruent to line segment of CD. This sign is known as the congruency. The sign in the circle is known as the congruency, and the relation between them is the congruency relation, which represents that both lines are identical. That is why the line segment CD completely occupies the line segment AB. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see comparison of the line segment. Means how we shall compare that a line is smaller than or greater than the other. For this, let us start. There are some methods, some important methods which are useful to comparison of line segment. So let us see our next topic. What is the comparison of the line segment? Comparison of line segment. Here, three cases arises. To comparison of the line segment, there are three methods are available. The first method is known as tracing method. The first method is known as tracing method. The second method is using ruler, and the third is using divider. There we can compare the line segment using these three tools. First is the tracing method. That means we trace another line segment beside the given line segment, which shows that means which line is greater than and which line is smaller. Second is using ruler. It is very popular idea to measure or okay. So here we will use using ruler. This method is very popular method and we often use ruler to measure the line segment, the length of line segment on the main tool. We also use the ruler for tracing straight line also. And third one is using divider. This is very new method to measure the length of line segment, and we also use it for the comparison of two line segments. So how we use this method? Now let us discuss one by one. So here the first is tracing line segment. Tracing method. In this method, suppose that a line is given. In this method, just suppose that a line is given and we trace another line beside the given line, and then we measure the length of the line segment using ruler, and then we can justify that which line is longer or which line is smaller. This is the first method of comparison. You can see, if suppose that the line segment AB, the line segment AB is given, and here we have to justify that this line is how much this line means, what is the how much this line is greater or smaller. For this we just trace another line for which the measurement is given like this. This is the another line segment CD, and when we measure the length of these two line segments, then we can justify that which line is greater than and which line segment is smaller than. I hope it is clear. And the second one is using this method is very popular and very easy. In this method, we just in this method, let us see the second method. Let's see the second method using ruler. Just suppose that two line segments are A, B. The line segment A is given, and also another line segment, suppose that CD is also given. There are two line segments are given. Now we use ruler to measure their length and also for the perpendicular. In this case, how we use the ruler? We put the zero mark of the ruler at the point A and place the entire ruler along this line segment. Then we get like this. This is the ruler. This is the ruler. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Here now, if we measure the length of the line segment AB, we shall get the length of this line segment is 4 cm. So we write here 4 centimeter. And when we measure the length of the line segment CD, then we get the length of the line segment CD is 5 centimeter, which shows that the line segment CD is greater than the line segment AB. I hope it is clear. This method is the using ruler method for the comparison of line segment. And the third one is the third method for comparison of the line segment is that using divider. A divider can also be used for the comparison of two line segments, say line segment AB and line segment CD. There are two line segments AB and CD. This is the line segment A, B. Now put the one pointer of the divider at the one end of the line segment AB, that is, put the pointer at the end point A, and now open the divider in such a manner that the other pointer is coincide with the end point B, and hold in the same position and place the divider on the line segment CD. Put the one pointer at the point C and second pointer on the other end. Then in this case, when we put the divider on the line segment CD, we get three conditions. There are three conditions. Okay, so now let us see which are the three conditions. First of all, understand this again, how we use the divider to measure the length of the line. For this, first of all, we put the one end at the point A and then open the divider and put the other pointer at the point B and hold in the same position. Put the one pointer at the point C and mark at the point D and mark the point D where the second pointer, other pointer fall. Then we can measure the length of the both line segment and then we can justify which one is longer and which one is smaller. So in this case, when we put the divider on the other line, then there are three cases arises. The first case is if the end fall at exactly at the point D. That means when we place the divider from here to this line segment, and if the second pointer is exactly at the point D, then the line segment AB is equal to the line segment CD. The second, if the end fall between C and D, then the line segment AB is less than line segment of CD. And the third is, if the end fall beyond the point beyond D, then AB is greater than the line segment CD. Here you can also see by the figure. There I draw. Here I draw a line segment AB. This is the line segment AB, and this is a divider like this. This is the divider. Similarly, this is the line segment CD. In these three figures, we can see that here first we measure the length of the line segment AB by using the divider like this. Now, without changing the distance in the divider, we place in this manner on the line segment CD. Then we get such case. In this case, we get that the other end fall between the lines between the points C and D. That means the length of the line segment AB is less than the length of line segment CD. And in the third case, we see that the other end of the divider is far beyond the point D, which means the length of the line segment AB is greater than the line segment of the length CD. I hope all these comparison is clear. So if you have any doubt, then you can mention your doubt in the comment. Thank you very much for watching this video.